नमस्कार. आरडीएक्स वाच्या कोंकणी खबराचित्रांत प्रिती डिसुजाचो तुमकां येवकार. पळोवया गोंयच्यो मुखेल घडणुको. राफेल विक्रीच्या प्रकरणाची फायल सर्गेस्त मनोहर पर्रीकरा कडेनच आसा म्हूण भाजप पर्रीकराच्या पुताक पणजे पोटवेंचणुकेची तिकेट दिवपाक पळयता असो आरोप काँग्रेसीचे म्हणण्यारे ट्रोजानो डिमेलोन केला. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स.
I am bringing Parrikar's family because all reports are indicating that legacy he should come in. Definitely, I am not making a charge about the files. One set of government is saying that the files are stolen. They have all investigation agencies in their hand. They can go after everybody. They can catch every black money. Whether it is black, white, we don't know, but they are harassing the opponents, left, right, and center. And you can't locate who is the person who has stolen the file. Then there is a minister who comes on record, which is viral. This is not my charge. Where I am unfair. I would never want to bring the family in the picture.
But you are.
How I am bringing what they are saying that we are going to come in. What is the political criteria for his son? I am asking a question. Let him answer. I am not making. I am asking a question. He has never been seen in politics. So who dragged him? And they also admit that we don't mind taking the father's legacy. If they take them only when he gets this legacy, then he will get the CM dynasty. That has to follow. It can't stop somewhere.